Hello everyone, welcome back to Motion Mix 350. In today's video, you are going to learn how to create this promo sale motion graphic ad for your boutique or online shop. Open Canva and go to mobile video. Choose a blank canvas, give your canvas some color and go to text. Bring your text box onto your canvas. Type your text and increase its size. Make sure that your text is properly centered. In the toolbar, go to font and choose a bold font. Increase the size of your font and make sure again that it's properly centered. Download your frame as a PNG. Go back to your project and delete your canvas. Go to upload and upload the PNG that you just downloaded onto your canvas. Make sure that your PNG covers the entire canvas. Now split your PNG in half. Copy and paste your PNG. And this is what we have. Cover the other part of your canvas and drag the other side to the center of the canvas. Go to Photos and in the search bar type bokeh. Choose the image on the right and bring it onto your canvas. Rotate the image vertically and make sure that it covers the entire canvas. Send your bokeh image to the back. Move the left part of your text to the left side so that only the letter A is visible. And do the same with the other half so that only the letter L is visible. Go to Upload and upload your first image. Resize and reposition your image. Go to Layers in the toolbar. Put the image layer under the two PNG layers. You can even change the position of your images. Duplicate the second frame. Go back to Upload and bring another image to your canvas. Resize your image and make sure that it's aligned with the first image. And place your image underneath the two PNG layers. Send your image to the back and delete the top image. Go back to the first frame and make a duplication. And place your second frame between the third and the fourth frame. Again, duplicate the fourth frame. Go back to Uploads. Choose another image and place it onto a canvas. Resize and adjust the position of your image. Go to Layers again and put your image underneath the two PNG layers. Send your image to the back and delete the top image. Again, go back to the third frame and make a duplication. And then place the duplication between the fifth and the sixth frame. Repeat the process from the first and the second step until you have all your bags onto your timeline. Now we are going to animate our frames by adding transitions. Go to Transitions and use the Match and Move transition. And we are going to apply to all our frames. We're also going to change the duration of our frames. In the toolbar, tap this little clock and then adjust our time duration to 1.5 seconds and apply to all the pages. And this is our final project. If you found value in this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Until we see each other in the next video, peace.